Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Nubia Red Magic 6R. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, click on Open, and here we can customize the browser. So sign in to turn on synchronization, agree or not with the data sharing preferences, set Edge as the default browser, and finally right here we can open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.